Okay, here we go to record for, oh, who knows what reasons, but anyways, so just to give a location, that is the sink in the master bedroom that's closest to the toilet, and this is the sink that is closest to the front, to the door, or wait a minute, maybe this is over here. And then this is the main line that goes up to the second floor. And then these are all the lines that connect the shower and the tub and the upstairs. Wow, those are nice fittings. Just think, all this is new in 3-4 hours. Incredible. Okay. One more here. Assuming that, yeah, back here. All right. And then I assume this goes to this hallway, bathroom in the hallway. Wow, I didn't know there were any water lines over here. That's interesting. And then here's the main coming in from the house, and the shutoff used to be back there, really hard to get to, and he moved it down to here, so in an emergency we can cut the water off right there, and that will prevent any problems. And now on to the upstairs. So this backs to the tub. Okay. And this is to the sink directly behind us, or in front of us, I guess. And here are the brand new valves that would have cost me $700 each to replace, $1,400 a sink just to replace the valves. If we had done that, which we didn't. We got, interesting, so this is coming off for the shower. It's copper right up to it, and then it was PVC the rest of the way down. I didn't know that. It's interesting. I was telling Charles to be careful with the shower because I was worried about breaking it, the PVC, you know, by adjusting this too much, but it's hooked to copper, so forgive the mess. Everything had to get taken out of the drawers in order to work, so the rest of this week's gonna be kind of fun, especially with what happened today. Okay. One day we'll laugh about it, but that won't be today. Nice new shut-off valve there that won't break on us. And here is a whole section that had to be cut out apparently in order to put all the lines in, I guess because they're vertical. But this might give Charles an opportunity to wire our cable internet or our Wi-Fi, so we'll see. But anyways, that's coming off with the tub, and it looks like it's copper. Yeah, it is. It's copper up to the shower head. So I was being really careful with that for no reason, apparently, but that's fine. So that's basically it. To whom it may concern, whether it be my family members or a technician in the future that needs to look at this video.